Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and oh my gosh guys, we have another run glitch on blankets today. Y'all just need to go ahead, get back in your car or turn around, do a U-turn, whatever you got to do. We're going back to DG. I'm actually on my way to the second Dollar General that I have went to in the past like 30 minutes or so. So sorry about the audio. I know that it stinks, but hey, I've got to get this information out to you guys ASAP. So throw on your shoes, grab your purse, grab your phone, grab your car keys, and let's go. But first, go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your notifications because, hey, who would have thought we would have had 2 run glitches in one day? So make sure those notifications are turned on. Hit that thumbs up button for me because this is an amazing deal. And then leave me a smiley face down in the comment section below. And then once you're done picking up your blankets, make sure that you share this video. All right, now while I'm on the way to the other Dollar General store, I'm going to go ahead and let you all know that we do have 2 glitches going on right now. 2 run glitches. So if you missed that first video, make sure that you go back and check it out. I'm going to have it linked in the pinned comment down below for you all. Plus, I have already uploaded a total of 4 Dollar General videos for this week. So again, all those videos will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. So once you're done running out and getting these run deals, make sure that you come back and check out the other videos as well. All right guys, so I just got out of the next Dollar General and I think I'm going to try to go to one more. Oh my gosh guys, the shelves will for sure be cleared, so you need to run, okay? All right, so this worked out perfectly, no issues whatsoever. You need to go to a store with self-checkout, okay? We have hated those self-checkouts for the past 4 or 5 months. They have been such an aggravation, but today they came through for us. Now, I do not know if this glitch is working on the regular register. I did not try it. I'm just running and trying to get this information out to you guys ASAP. So, we have these fleece throw blankets. Comfort Bay fleece throw 50-inch by 60-inch, $5. Brown dot on the tag. Go ahead, grab them all. Just grab them all, okay? I've got the back seat is kind of halfway full for sure. We got the front seat full. The floorboard is full. I just picked up 25 blankets, and y'all are not going to believe what I paid. Now, while you guys are putting on your shoes and grabbing your keys and all that stuff, I do want to say be careful, all right? Let's be careful. Drive safely. Don't trip over your shoestrings. You know who I'm talking to. But be careful. Be safe out there, guys. If you get this deal, awesome. Just be safe, all right? I don't want any kind of mishaps on a run deal, okay? So, again, just grab them all. There's all kinds of different colors. We've got black. We've got different patterns. There's some pink ones in there, some ones with little dog prints on them. So let's take a look at the receipt. What you want to do is grab them all, grab you a buggy, grab them all, go up to the self-checkout, and then start ringing them up. And this is what's going to happen. $5, and then look, it takes off $4.99. So that instant savings is working on these $5 blankets. And whenever I was at the store earlier, they were still showing up at full price. So the instant savings was not applying to them, but apparently it is, because look at here. All of these were just 1 penny each, guys. Again, I just picked up a total of 23, and I paid 25 cents, 2 cents in tax, y'all. You can't beat that. So you know this is a definite run deal. I'm going to be donating a lot of these. And in fact, at the first store that I went to, I went ahead and gave the cashier, she's working on Thanksgiving and Thanksgiving Day. So I went ahead and gave her like 5 or 6 of them. I was like, you know what? Go ahead and pick out yours. Whatever you want, grab it. So a lot of these will go to the homeless shelters and dog shelters, wherever else. It just depends on how many I get, but these are definitely going to be donation items for this winter. So you guys run, and then once you're done running, come back and let me know how many you ended up with. How many did you score? How did you do? Come back and let me know down in the comment section below, because y'all know I absolutely love hearing from you. All right, guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And again, good luck with your run deals today. And again, I cannot stress this enough. Make sure that you have those notifications turned on and set to all. And turn your volume on your phone all the way up, because you just never know. We got 2 run glitches in one day. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I really don't know what else to tell you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below as well, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.